Why did you choose engineering? Passion, dream job, or a zeal for problem solving? I think engineering is about invention, a solution to a challenge.
And to witness the solutions across the world in the space of metalworking, what else it can be other than IMTEX? Wait, have you got yourself registered? Hurry up, we are going to be there as well.
And this time, we are bringing something different at IMTEX. We are just not focusing on the innovations and bringing them in the limelight, but also we are digging deeper to find out the challenge that driven you to innovate.
What's the fun in it?
Well, the fun lies in a lot of puzzles and question answer sessions. For example, do you know which civilization is actually credited for the invention of the first machine tool, bow drill? Yes, we are going to bring so much more fun. So stay tuned with Machine Maker and we are going to reveal the answers shortly. And you, I know you are going to be there at IMTEX from 23rd to 29th of January 2025 at DIC Bangalore. And if you spot the yellow mic, shoot your machine tools challenges and we're gonna make the solutions all the more fun.